Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to back up your OBS Studio settings, profiles, and scenes. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to have your OBS app open on your computer. Once it's running, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen where you'll see the File menu. Click on File, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Show Settings folder. This action will open up a new window that takes you directly to the folder where OBS stores all of its important configuration files, including your scenes, profiles, and custom settings. Now, once this folder window opens, look at the top of the window where you'll see a navigation path. You should see a folder called Roaming in this path. Go ahead and click on Roaming to navigate one level up in the folder structure. This step is crucial because it allows you to access the main OBS Studio folder that contains everything you need to back up. In this roaming directory, you'll now see the OBS Studio folder. This folder houses all your scenes, sources, profiles, settings, and any customizations you've made to OBS over time. To create a backup of all this data, right-click on the OBS Studio folder and from the context menu that appears, select Copy. This copies the entire folder and all its contents to your clipboard, ready to be pasted wherever you choose to store your backup. Next, look at the left side of your File Explorer window where you'll see a list of locations like Desktop, Documents, Downloads, and other folders on your computer. Click on whichever location you want to use for storing your backup. Once you've selected your preferred location, right-click anywhere in the empty space of that folder and select Paste from the menu. This will create a complete backup copy of your OBS Studio folder in your chosen location, preserving all your hard work and configurations. Now let's talk about how to restore this backup when you need it. When you want to restore your OBS settings from this backup, go back to your OBS app. Just like before, click on File in the upper left corner and select Show Settings folder. This brings you back to the Settings directory where OBS keeps its active configuration files. At the top of the window, click on Roaming again to navigate up one level. Now you'll need to delete your current OBS Studio folder since you're about to replace it with your backup. Right-click on the OBS Studio folder and select Delete to remove it completely from this location. Finally, to complete the restoration process, look at the left side of your File Explorer window and click on the folder where you pasted your backup earlier. Once you can see your backed up OBS Studio folder, right-click on it and select Copy. Then navigate back to the Roaming folder and paste it there. This replaces your OBS installation with all the settings, scenes, and profiles from your backup, effectively restoring everything to exactly how it was when you created that backup. And that's it. You've successfully backed up and restored your OBS Studio settings, ensuring all your configurations are safe and recoverable. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.